Ever wondered why your car pulls to one side, your steering feels weird, or your tires wear out too fast? The problem might not be your tires at all. It could be wheel alignment, one of the most important things keeping your car safe, smooth, and easy to drive. What is wheel alignment? Wheel alignment is the process of adjusting the angles of a car's wheels so they are properly lined up with each other and with the road. When the wheels are aligned correctly, the car drives straight, the steering feels smooth, and the tires wear evenly. But when alignment is off, it can cause many problems like uneven tire wear, poor handling, bad fuel economy, and even unsafe driving. That's why wheel alignment is a very important part of vehicle maintenance. Why wheel alignment matters. Proper wheel alignment gives several benefits. First, it helps tires wear evenly, which means they last longer and save you money. Second, it improves fuel efficiency because the tires roll smoothly instead of dragging against the road. Third, it improves handling and stability, making the car easier and safer to control. And finally, it gives the driver more confidence because the steering feels balanced and predictable. Even a small alignment problem can affect the way your car drives every day. How wheel alignment is done. Wheel alignment is done using special equipment in a workshop. First, the car is placed on an alignment lift. Then, sensors or targets are attached to each wheel. Cameras and computer systems measure the exact wheel angles and compare them to the manufacturer's specifications. If the angles are incorrect, the technician adjusts them carefully until everything matches the correct settings. Modern alignment machines are very accurate and can detect even tiny problems. The three main alignment angles. There are three primary alignment angles: toe, camber, and caster. Toe alignment. Toe refers to the direction the wheels point when viewed from above. If the front of the tires point slightly toward each other, it is called toe in. If they point away from each other, it is called toe out. Too much toe in or toe out causes uneven tire wear and can make the steering unstable. A correct toe setting helps the car drive straight and keeps the tires healthy for a longer time. Camber alignment. Camber is the tilt of the wheel when viewed from the front of the car. If the top of the tire leans outward, it is called positive camber. If the top leans inward, it is called negative camber. A small amount of camber can improve handling, especially while cornering. But too much camber causes uneven tire wear and can reduce braking performance. That's why manufacturers use very specific camber settings for each vehicle. Caster alignment. Caster is related to the steering system. A positive caster angle helps the steering wheel return to the center after turning. It also improves straight-line stability at higher speeds. You can see a simple example on a bicycle. The front wheel naturally follows the direction of movement because of the steering angle. Shopping carts and office chairs also use this principle. If caster alignment is wrong, the steering may feel unstable or fail to return properly after a turn. Secondary alignment angles. There are also secondary angles like steering axis inclination and thrust angle. These angles help the vehicle stay stable and track straight on the road. If these angles are outside the correct range, it may indicate damaged suspension parts or accident damage. A severe thrust angle problem can even make the vehicle move slightly sideways while driving. Signs your car needs alignment. There are some common warning signs of bad wheel alignment. The car pulls to one side, uneven tire wear, crooked steering wheel, vibrations while driving, poor fuel economy, loose or unstable steering feel. If you notice any of these problems, it's a good idea to get your alignment checked. When should you get alignment done? Most experts recommend checking wheel alignment every 10,000 kilometers or at least once a year. You should also check it after hitting a large pothole, replacing suspension parts, or getting new tires installed. Regular alignment keeps your car safer, smoother, and more efficient. Wheel alignment may seem like a small thing, but it plays a huge role in safety, comfort, tire life, and fuel savings. Understanding toe, camber, and caster helps you know why your car behaves the way it does on the road. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more simple car explanations and automotive tips.